Soil health maintenance. Sustaining and improving the general health of the soil ecosystem is known as soil health maintenance. It entails taking steps to guarantee that the soil maintains its structure's fertility and ability to support a wide variety of microorganisms and other living forms. This is essential for both human health and the well-being of the environment. The following explains why it is crucial for humans to maintain soil health. The International Year of the Soils were initiated by the United Nations back in 2015, and on December 5, the inaugural World Soil Day took place. The life force that agriculture inextricably depends on has been referred to as humanity's silent partner. Justifiably, a discussion of soil health maintenance is a necessary component of any conversations on sustainable development. The agro-ecosystem's foundations, the soil, is essential to maintaining food security. It is thought to be the foundation for the production of food, feed, fuel, and fiber. In order to increase crop productivity, soils sustain plant roots, store water, recycle nutrients, and contain organic carbon. They are inhabited by the helpful soil microorganisms that keep the soil healthy and supply the crop with nutrients. What are the difficulties and main issues in soil health maintenance? Due to ineffective farming methods, soils have been severely disregarded in recent years. According to the estimates from the Food and Agriculture Organization's FAO, soil erosion removes 25 to 40 billion tons of topsoil annually, which has a major negative impact on crop yields and the soil's capacity to store and cycle water, nutrients, and carbon. The quality of soil is being impacted by soil and water erosion. The careless use of agrochemicals, fertilizers, pesticides, and herbicides, and low level of organic matter. These factors are having an impact on productivity. In addition, the overuse of pesticides and fertilizers causes nutrients loss, contaminates groundwater and surface water, acidifies soil, reduces beneficial microbial communities, and makes people more vulnerable to dangerous insects. In addition to fertilizers, herbicides use has also been shown to be harmful to the health of the soil. Long-term use of these could change the makeup of microbial populations and how they participate in biochemical cycles, which could raise the risk of infertility in the soil. What are the efforts and approaches in soil health maintenance? The best way to preserve our soil and make it nutrient-rich is to increase the amount of organic matter in the soil. For the soil to remain healthy and become more fertile, soil organic carbon is essential. Farmers can increase crop yields and lessen plant stress when their soils are healthy. Therefore, maintaining the health of the soil is essential for the development and growth of agriculture. The following strategies have been found and put into practice to preserve soil health. Number 1. Raising awareness and disseminating information regarding the value of soil health and appropriate operating procedures for preserving and enhancing soil quality. Number 2. Integrated nutrient management is a technique for controlling the consumptions of nutrients from both organic and inorganic sources such as vermicompost, green manure, farm yard manure, and biofertilizers. In order to satisfy the demand for macro and micronutrients, this will guarantee high yields and enhance the condition of the soil. Number 3. Control of nitrogen by applying fertilizers in divided doses during the cotton crop's growth cycle. Number 4. Using organic manures to add moisture and organic carbon to the soil as well as to enhance its physical and chemical characteristics. Number 5. Techniques for converging soil and water such as planting in the broad bed furrow, mulching, farming, bunding, contour trenches, and sowing across slopes, which lessen oil erosions and promote in situ conversations of soil and water. Number 6. Crop rotation, mixed farming and intercropping with Leguminous crops all contribute significantly to increasing soil biodiversity with respect to both flora and fauna as well as the soil's nutrients content. Nutrient rich food production, producing crops high in nutrients, requires healthy soil. The vital minerals and nutrients that plants take up from the soil are subsequently transferred to the fruits, vegetables, and grains that humans eat. The nutritional content of our food is directly impacted by the condition of the soil, diversity of microbes, and human health. When we eat plants that are grown in healthy soil, the diversity of these microorganisms in the soil has a positive impact on the diversity of our gut microbiome. Immune system and digestive system performances are two areas of human health that are associated with the diverse and well-balanced gut microbiome. Environmental sustainability. Sustainable agricultural methods are facilitated by health soils. It promotes biodiversity, effectively holds onto water and lessens soil erosion. In addition to ensuring the longevity of the soil, sustainable agriculture lessens the negative effects of farming, participates on the environment. Quantity and quality of water. Rainwater is naturally filtered by soil because healthy soil holds onto water runoff that could introduce pollutants into water bodies is prevented. We support sustainable water management and clean water sources by preserving the health of the soil. Carbon sequestration. The process of sequestering carbon depends heavily on healthy soil. It lessens the effects of climate change by storing carbon in the form of organic matter. Sustainable soil management techniques supports international efforts to cut greenhouse gas emissions. Climate change resilient. Extreme weather events, changes in the temperature, and altered precipitation patterns are some of the problems brought on by the climate change. Healthy soil is less susceptible to environmental stresses and offers a stable base for agriculture because it is more resistant to these changes. Less reliance on chemical substrates. Maintaining the health of the soil through practices frequently lowers the need for synthetic pesticides and fertilizers. This reduces the possible harmful effect of these chemicals on the environment and human health, in addition to lowering the cost of the inputs for farmers. Finally, we can say that soil health maintenance is essential for agricultural growth and for protecting our natural resources. It is time to develop a story about soil health and dare to emphasize the value of this essential resource. Actually, soil health maintenance is a comprehensive strategy for guaranteeing the sustainability of our food production systems and consequently the well-being of the earth and its people. It is a financial commitment to sustainability and environmental protection.